train has arrived. There is a whole lot of people. With me on this train.
One.
It's here. Always easiest just to let people go in. Yeah, but I'm excited to see how pleasant or unpleasant this will be. Have to get to seat 34. No, come.
Thank you. Ai là số mấy? Ngay đây. 9 người đây.
34.
Chị lên được không? Đây là hai cái túi trên này đúng không?
Yeah. I can't move.
Mua cái gì cháu? Mua này rẻ ăn uống này.
Đây sách gì tính rồi.
Đó, này thì có bé làm được mua mấy 2-3 ngày trước.
Rồi đứa tiên cho chủ này chưa? Chắc đồ ăn thì chắc đồ ăn. Rồi có rồi. Có chưa? Mai, em gọi buông cái lấy mi về thứ tư đó, buông đồ ra.
Đường đi mình sang Tân Yên luôn. Gần lắm.
Well, I'm sure I'm in for a very pleasant ride. It's definitely not going to be the nicest 11 hours of my life. But what can you expect when you book a train?
Đà Nẵng giờ đi ra ngày chỗ gì nữa ta?
breakfast and the food for my train ride. Half an hour. I am halfway through my journey on this train. It's very loud here. But it is 5 hours. It is a little bit boring, not gonna lie. A little bit difficult to sit in a seat for 11 hours. It's a good hotel waiting when I'm there. Let's take out the toilet. Not as bad as I could fear. There's a little piss on the floor, I guess. But, what can you expect? I have a small hope. I looked it up on my phone and I found I don't want to hope too much, but my phone says 9 o'clock. The woman at the station said 11 o'clock. Nine o'clock could be so nice, but I don't want to get my hopes up.
Đâu chưa?
Thích thì mua cơm xôi đều có.
I've been taking too many trains in my life, and high hopes often leads to equally great disappointments. One delightful thing is that the guy opposite me left the train, and apparently no one takes his spot, so I have extra leg room.
Ngày trước cách đây khoảng 4-5 năm anh bị phốt rồi, bây giờ đâu có anh làm thế, anh không làm được anh bị sập tiệm luôn, anh đừng có bán.
Have to enjoy the little things
Tất cả những nhân viên
in life and on the journey.
không bao giờ người ta gì nữa đâu. Tôi vẫn thường xuyên.
I arrived in the train. Sometimes miscommunication is a good thing, because I was told 11 hours, but it's been 9 hours 15. That is quite nice. Now I will get to my hotel and I need some food.